Alright, so this is Jang and welcome back again to my channel. Alright, so first and foremost, Sawadee Ka. Alright, so for all the Thai people, Sawadee Ka. So recently, we made a reaction video about this singing competition, which is The Masked Singer Season 3. And we made a reaction about this one contestant who sang Titanium. And which is, I really got curious, and it was an amazing vocals. And I got curious about this singing competition. So I asked some of you to give me some links of the previous seasons, like who were the winners of the season 1 and season 2. So one commenter said, his name is Patanachai Waicharowen. So if you're interested, The Masked Singer Thailand, please reaction Durian Mask. He's the winner of The Masked Singer Thailand season 1. I hope to see and I'll wait to see. Thank you. Okay, so because The Masked Singer is kind of interesting and it's kind of surprising, so I clicked the link and it led me to Set Fire to the Rain by Durian Masked. So he said that this is the winner for the season 1. So I couldn't wait to hear and see what Durian Mask has to offer. So let's all watch it. Okay, let's go. This competition is really interesting. Anyway, let's watch this. Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. The Durian is a little scary.
Let it fall, my heart, as it fell, yours to claim it. It was hard, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they strong, but my
Okay, so I'll stop there. Alright, this is so entertaining. First, I like the concept. I like the concept of singing with your mask on. But you cannot deny the fact that people will gonna think twice if you are lip singing or not. I hope he's not lip singing, but I have this little doubt because the vocals are totally on point. It's like a pre-recorded one, but I hope he's not lip singing. I don't know who is Durian Mask. I think he's a male, but it's very entertaining and I really like it. And I like the way he twisted the song to make it his own. And it's so cool, you know. It's so cool. The concept of this competition is really cool. And if he's the winner of the first season, I think he deserves it because I give credits to Thai people who can speak English perfectly because Thai has their own beautiful language. They have their Thai language and they are not an English country speaking. They are not an English speaking country. So Durian Mask singing perfectly in English, pronunciation wise, impeccable. Very, very nice. And I enjoy this. I enjoy this Set Fire to the Rain. So are there any more videos of Durian Mask? So if there's a lot of videos of Durian Mask, please comment down the videos of Durian Mask in the comment section below. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And yeah, as I've said, please leave me a comment if you guys have any suggestions or what. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Khop Kun Kap. And I love you all. I'll see you guys in my next reaction videos about the Masked Singer. And just hang in there. Okay, I love you all. Kudos and stop for now. Byeers.